Good morning, Standard 5. I am going to continue chapter 5, and in this video I am going to explain you about the topic types of plants. Dear student, there are variety of the plants around us, among which few bear flowers and few do not. Or you can say some plant have flowers and some do not. So according to this, plants are being divided or being categorized into two groups: non-flowering plants and flowering plants. So dear student, plants are of two types: non-flowering plants and second is flowering plants. So the plant which do not bear flower, dear student, the plant which do not bear flower are known as non-flowering plant. For example, like mosses, ferns and conifer. These plants do not bear flower, known as a non-flowering plant. Whereas the plant which bear flower known as a flowering plants. So first I am going to explain you about the non-flowering plants. So dear student, non-flowering plants are first mosses. First I am going to explain you about the mosses. So what are the characteristics of mosses? First, mosses are small, green, flowerless plant. Flowerless plant. Second, they grow in shady and damp areas. Third, they spread in the form of a green carpet. On rock surfaces or on tree trunks in forest. So dear student, these are the three characteristics of mosses. Mosses are small, green, flowerless plant. where sunlight can't reach. The place where sunlight can't reach known as seddy. And dam, moisture, presence of water, So Moses preferred to grow in seddy and damp places. Third, they spread in the form of a green carpet, like a green carpet on rock surfaces or on tree trunks in forest. So dear student, these are the three characteristics of the Moses. Next I am going to explain you about the ferns. Ferns. Let us know the characteristic of the ferns. Ferns are a group of green plants that have neither seeds nor flower. Second, they grow only in seddy and moist places. Moist places. They have stems and leaves. Fourth, they are used as decorative plants. Dear student, let us see the characteristic of ferns. Ferns are a group of green plants that have neither seed. They have neither seed nor the flower. So dear student, ferns do not bear flower and they have no seeds. Second, they prefer to grow only in seddy and moist places, dear student. Third, they have stems and leaves and bigger inside than the mosses. So dear student, they have leaves and stem. As in the mosses, leaves and stem can't be seen by naked eyes. But in ferns, they have stems and leaves. They are also bigger in size than the mosses. Fourth, they are used as a decorative plant, dear student. So this is the main characteristic of the ferns. Next I am going to explain you about the conifers. Conifers. Let us know the characteristic of the plant. First, conifers are tall and cone-shaped. Trees. Second, they have needle-like leaves. Third, they bear scaly cone-shaped structure. Cone-shaped structure that contain reproductive parts. So dear student, these are the three main characteristics of the conifers. Let us understand about it. Conifers are tall, green and cone-shaped tree, dear student. Tall and cone-shaped. What do you mean by the cone-shaped? At the base broad and at the top narrow. Okay, dear student, like the cone-shaped structure. At the top narrow and at the base broad. Such type of the plant is known as a conifers. Means conifers have cone-shaped structure. Second, they have needle-like leaves. Dear student, find needle-like leaves. As this plant used to grow in the area where there is too much low temperature. Temperature is very low. So the leaves are like needle-like. Third, they bear scaly cone structure that contain reproductive parts. Scaly cone structure like walnut. Walnut, dear student, you may have aware about it. Such type of the scaly cone structure they bear, and these structure contain reproductive parts. Example of the conifers trees are like cedar, redwood are the example of conifers trees. So dear student, please you read the topic and learn the characteristic of mosses, fern and conifers. Thank you dear students.